Good afternoon. Today we are going to perform the practical number second. Second number practical is determine the frequency, time period, peak value, RMS value of the sinusoidal AC waveform on the CRO. This is the part 1 practical. This is the part 1 practical. For that there is टू इक्विपमेंट्स, दोन इक्विपमेंट्स आपल्याला यूज करायचे आहे. हा आहे फंक्शन जनरेटर. दिस वन इज फंक्शन जनरेटर. दिस वन इज CRO, कॅथोड रे ऑसिलोस्कोप. दिस function generator, with the help of this function generator we generate the sinusoidal waveform by using these knobs. There is different waveforms like the square wave, triangular wave, sine wave. We select the sine wave of value of 2000 hertz, means 2000 megahertz. Now this output of this function generator is connected to the input to the CRO. Now here is our waveform. This is the waveform, sinusoidal waveform. In this practical we have to measure the peak value and time period. After that we require the RMS value, average value. Okay, for calculating the peak value we measure these vertical lines. This is the CRO screen. Here is one x-axis and y-axis. Here is small blocks are there. One block is of 1 volt. There is 5 lines, means one line value is 0.2. Now I measure the peak value. For peak value there is positive half cycle is there. It covers 1, 2 blocks fully, and in third block there is 3 lines, means reading is 2.6 sorry. Then we multiply voltage per division knob. Here voltage per division knob is in 2 millivolt, means our peak value reading is 2.6 into 2 millivolt. This is the value of peak value. After that second parameter we have to measure, that is the time period. For time period we measure the horizontal lines. One positive half cycle and one negative half cycle is there. Pause kar. For measuring the frequency I take one complete cycle. For complete cycle there is one positive half cycle, one negative half cycle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fully blocks are covered by the one cycle, and one dash is there, one line is there, and value for the one line is 0.2. that is 5.2 is the divisions for the time period. Then 5.2 into volt per division knob, that is 1 millisecond is there. Then our reading for the time period is 5.2 into 1 millisecond. Like that we have to take the readings for the peak value and time period. By using, with the help of time period we can find the frequency, because formula for frequency is 1 upon T. Okay, now with by using the value peak value we calculate the RMS value and average value. Formula for the RMS value is peak value into 0.707, means already you are taken the reading for the peak value. That value is get multiplied by the 0.707. Now we get the RMS value. Second, last one reading is the average value. For average value we have to perform the calculations between the peak value into 0.637. By multiplying the 0.637 with peak value we get the average value. Like that this is the result: time period, peak value, RMS value and average value. All these parameters we have calculated in this practical. Thank you.